The future is full of possibilities, but a lot will depend on the choices we make today. And that is why also here at this exhibit that UNDP has at the GEF Assembly, we are testing out new technologies. We are creating more transparency, more public access to information, be it in terms of what UNDP is doing in the GEF family or what the impacts of the projects it supports are achieving.
The future is about effective collaboration among different stakeholders. Because the problems are so complex today, so the future has to be about effective collaboration. I think technology, the digital solutions, the artificial intelligence are all really important tools to bring people together. The young people, the women's groups, and people with disabilities, as well as the governments, right, to work together. And I think that is the power of innovation.
The future is about making use of data, it's about making use of information and insights and bringing knowledge to bear. We have brought forward the use of AI in providing interpretation to various discussions that are going on so that we can foster a more inclusive conversation. So the possibilities are endless, and we feel that this is just the beginning of a journey that, like most organizations around the world, we too are at the early stage of it, and we're very excited to see where we can take this.
The future is us.
Future is partnerships.
The future is together.
Future is good.
Future is now.
The future is beautiful.
The future is certainly digital.